Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shib Original Vision token, ticker symbol SOV. This token is being listed tomorrow, April 7th, on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, like I said, ticker symbol is SOV. This token is being listed tomorrow on a central exchange. It's being listed on Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an Mexc Global account and you are looking to get this token, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you'd have to do to simply get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search the SOV, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It's that easy. Mexc Global is a great exchange. Tons of brand new tokens listed on there all the time. Super low fees. You can find this token tomorrow, April 7th, 10 o'clock UTC time in the Trading Innovation Zone. So they have their own Twitter, which is at Shib SOV. On Shib at Shib SOV on Twitter, you can find a full link tree over there as well. They have tons of information over there. As far as other socials go, on their link tree, they have a Discord server, Medium articles, they have a Chinese Telegram, a normal Telegram, or an English Telegram, I should say, website, and then they have, so on their Twitter, they have 2,847 followers. It says, the original promise written by Ryoshi was to be a coin for the people. SOV will fulfill that promise. So that's what they're all about here. Now they have a total supply of, that is a million, billion, trillion, 1 quadrillion tokens. So a lot of tokens there. So it says, Shib Original Vision fixes the corruption behind Shib by fairly distributing SOV to those who believe in the genuine Shiba Inu community. SOV was developed by true devotees in the dream that was once Shiba. They intended on SOV to be distributed in a manner that is not only equitable and righteous, but also transparent. So this is on the Ethereum blockchain. Right now they have 3,384 holders. A max total supply here of that is a million, billion, 300 trillion tokens. So if they started with 1 quadrillion and right now have a max total supply of 300 trillion, that means they basically got rid of 700 trillion tokens, basically probably through burning. I'm not sure, but yeah, I would assume burning. And 18 decimal places on this token according to their Etherscan. So if you go to their link tree, you can click on their webpage. That will take you over to shiboriginalvision.com. Pretty straightforward there. So they have all sorts of links over here. Medium articles, all sorts of socials. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap link. Together we moon, it says. Deep in the shadows of the crypto world, a promise was made. A promise that was meant to be a beacon of hope for everyone regardless of status. Shib began as a dream to create a coin for the people, by the people, and without the imbalanced power structure of elites who leave the people enslaved to their dumping project after project. The emergence of meme tokens promised a new and exciting vision of egalitarian access to wealth and community. However, as time passed, whispers began to spread amongst the early supporters of Shiba Inu who were there from the inceptions, whispers that brought doubt, whispers that spoke of darkness. With each new block mined, the coin's path began to stray further and further from its core mission to bring joy and to give hope to anyone regardless of pedigree or baggage. Now, they actually, on their webpage, they have links to like Shib's original vision, original mission that you could check out there. And there's like, you can even click on whispers and see what the original holders were saying. You can click on all these different links. It'll take you over to different pages so you can actually see what they're talking about, which is super cool. So it says the goal of Shiba was to be the new dawn for so many who were suffering from the darkness. Unfortunately, a true nature of the enigmatic leader behind the coin wouldn't allow this dream to be realized. A dark force took control of Shib, using it to hide it from real intentions. Rumor has it that its dark force held a majority stake in Shiba through thousands of wallets that were under his control. Ryoshi abandoned his army and failed to ship the meaningful technology roadmap, which turned Shiba into a perpetual bear market nightmare for those who had remained loyal to its original vision and faithful to the Ryoshi cult. So what does this say to me? Dogecoin to the moon! I'm just kidding. Anyways, a key contributor to the idea that and creation of Shiba, only known as the Dog Father, never received any recognition or reward for his vital contributions from Ryoshi. The Dog Father was the key architect in helping Ryoshi develop the community that became Shiba. However, Ryoshi and his two evil henchmen didn't believe in the altruistic goals of the Dog Father and seized the opportunity to usurp power and take control of the project. It is due to the sacrifice that the Dog Father will receive a small amount of the SOV tokens to pay homage for this great contribution early on in the project. So it goes over more about Ryoshi. Let's skip down to what's SOV is all about. So SOV fixes the corruption. We kind of went over that already. So it says here, Karma DAO members directly helped with the execution idea and support of the Shiba Inu in the early days. So they're paying some homage to the Karma DAO. Distributing SOV tokens to the people is the right way to honor the Shiba Inu community. And so, yeah, the SOV coin icon depicts Shiba Inu rising from the ashes as a phoenix. So they got tokenomics on here. And it says 0.35% of the tokens go to Shib community airdrops. 2.49% go to the Dog Father. 27.4% goes to Karma DAO airdrops. 32.39% goes to liquidity pools for DEXs. 37.37% goes to central exchange listings and central exchange airdrops. And one SOV coin, only one, goes to BitBoy. Okay. This is hilarious. Tokens for liquidity pools and central exchange listings and airdrops is controlled by a multi-sig wallet by OG leaders of the Karma DAO community called the Inu Economic Forum. So now, starting tomorrow, April 7th, this token will be listed on a new central exchange called Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. Leave a comment. What do you guys think about SOV and what happened to Shiba Inu? Leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.